It was supposed to be flying inside like crazy, but today is very hot. Before we start, subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon to get notified and become part of the family. Hello friends, how are you all? I want to share with you the experience we got with the horsefly trap, which is just basically a trap for these horseflies and deer flies that are very different from the normal fly. They are like a mosquito and a fly. They pinch your skin and they drink blood or something. It's very crazy. Anyways, this insect was not appearing much in our garden. Now it's continuing to appear like crazy. And I want to show you how we did this thing over there. So I just saw online the parts they use to make it, and I just made my own, but I didn't know if it was going to turn out amazing. That's why I didn't shoot the video previously. But anyways, it looks like this, all these pieces here. And then you just assemble together and it has to look exactly like this or similar. Oh, they are all dead. Oh my goodness. Look at this. It was supposed to be flying inside like crazy, but today is very hot and this thing builds up temperature, which it's just normal temperature, but it becomes so hot that for them they cannot breathe. It's too much carbon dioxide they go, and well, it's like this. It's not the best, but I think anyways this is the best solution because we don't want to be bitten. So this ball, basically, for the ones who don't know, it builds up temperature. It's just basically a beach ball, and we put it in a black plastic bag instead of painting it or something in black, because it builds up more temperature with the sun and it attracts horseflies. And just make sure the ball is just like 10% inside the net and the rest is all outside, because otherwise it will not work so effectively. They have to see it. They come from above and they have to see it, the ball below, otherwise they will just go on the net and they will not go through. This thing, it's an old mosquito net. I mean, it's not a mosquito net, but it's like a wedding net, no longer in use, so we just use it for this purpose. Basically, this is a wire. You just put it together, a wire. It's not attached to anything else. It's just the wire goes like this, and then you just tie it with its own metal. Here, this cord, it's just a normal brown cord made from, I don't know, wool maybe, and you just attach on the very top of there. This is just 6-liter plastic bottles for water, and there's like 3. One here, which is just the top cut, and then the second, it's also the top, but a bigger top, and the third, it's a smaller top, which is just compressed down. It's not attached at all, so I can remove them anytime if it's too many or something. And that's it. And then this thing, I just put a metal here with some bricks. You know, they sell these things, but I heard it's like $30 or something. But we don't know where they sell here, and plus, oh look, there's one alive. Right there. Oh, I don't know where it is. Anyways, that's it. It's here you just, I put it, I connected, I made like a circle, right? And I connected the two ends with these things. that are, you know, these plastic wrap cords or something that you tie them up and then they don't untie anymore and you just cut and that's it. So it's like a dress we made here. We attach it as well to the bottle itself. And here, these two bottles is just tape. I was not bothered to do anything else. And that's it. Hope you like it. It's as soon as I put it outside, we already caught one or two. And by the end of the day, yeah, I think there was like 3. And they died because the sun really takes off their oxygen or something, or dehydrates them. And then you can eat them, just kidding. Yeah, and then basically it's like this. It's very cool. We used to have it over there behind, but it was not very visible. Here builds up temperature. They all gather in that car over there because the car is also hot. They only see infrared, so putting here it's perfect. So I hope you like it and see you on the next video. Thank you very much. And don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification bell and give a like if you like the video. Thank you very much.